Good evening and welcome back to DSF. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Logan and we are here at the estate on Federal Hill for the launch of the all-new Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, the newest addition to the Tiggo family lineup. So we have the older brother, the Tiggo 8 Pro, which is the big one, the 7-seater SUV. This is a 5-seater competing against things like the Proton X70 and the like. So what is the price on this all-new SUV? Well, it's officially priced at 123,800 ringgit. But for the first 2,000 customers to buy this car, you can get it at a special price of just 119,800 ringgit. Yes, that is quite a big discount. So if this car tickles your fancy, if you've been eyeing it for a while, we'd recommend you go quickly. Now, you have already seen the car before, the front, the sides, the rear, the inside. That was during the preview several months ago. So we won't waste time going around the car. Instead, let's just quickly run through some of the special packages you can get when you buy the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. The first of which is a 7-year or 150,000 km warranty, as well as 7 years and or up to 150,000 kilometers free towing service, 24/7 by the way, as well as 5 years of free services for this Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. Now, we've already seen the looks of the car. Let's just quickly highlight some of the other key features. You have a full-length sunroof, all the ADAS features you need, 360-degree panoramic camera, ambient lighting on the inside, so on and so forth. So it is a beautiful car inside and out, which you have already seen once again. So with that, just remember the going price right now is 123,800 ringgit, but for the first 2,000 of you, 119,800 ringgit. Thank you very much for watching DSF, ladies and gentlemen.